joined the program like a month after I just started getting sales after sales. 54K in sales. It's like 30K in 10 days, dude. What the?
This is too valuable for YouTube, but
Shit.
you should.
Well, that's like the biggest tip that I got from the program.
Yeah, bro. So very first of all, congrats on all the success.
Oh, some crazy numbers, honestly. Oh, jeez.
What do you
Yeah.
mean?
September was insane because just like 54K in sales. It's like,
54K?
yeah.
Damn.
It's so weird.
How does that feel?
It's so like when people say I've watched these case studies before, like I used to study like the shit out of the case studies because like I really wanted to succeed. And then when I actually like joined the program, like a month after I just started getting sales after sales. Like when they say it doesn't feel real, it like doesn't feel real. It's
Have you ever
so
done sales before that, or is it the first time? Or like
that was
actual
the first time for sales.
first sales? So your first.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Oh,
Let's jump into it. Like tell your story. Like how did everything go?
name's Matt. 19. I started, I think, when I was 17, and this was in the summer of 2021. No luck. Started for about 2 years and had no luck with that. I started with ads initially, and then I got no sales, and then I transitioned to organic because I saw that was more efficient, and then
Mhm.
still no success. But then found Michael Bernstein's program, joined it. 2 months after, I've made 54K in sales. Oh, jeez. Yeah,
Let's share your screen. Let's look at
for
it.
sure, for sure. Yeah. Dude, yeah, I don't even know.
Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah, so
How was
like
it? Mhm.
August was this, and then September was this, and then up until now, it's been, ugh, yeah, it,
7K in the last 4 days.
yeah.
Nice, bro. Very, very good.
Bro,
How the
this to
profit margin
this,
all of this?
bro, 30K in 10 days, dude. What the fuck? All right, sorry.
How, how are the profit margins on this?
Oh, they're like around like 55%. So I'm taking away like a bandit, bro. Like around 35K in total or something. That's like, yeah. Oh my God. Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Well, very first of all, congrats on the success, man.
Thank you.
You're saying it doesn't feel real. Like, how do you actually realize that you started to make money online, like a lot of money online right now, or how does it feel overall?
It's so weird because like when I got my first sale, I was like so happy about it because I was just like, guys, look, I made my first sale after 2 years of trying. And then like when the sales started rolling in, I started getting like 2K days, 5K days, and I'm like, this is like normal. Like I don't like feel anything anymore. I'm like, this is weird. I should probably feel something because this is not normal for other people to get like $1,000 end of the day. But I mean, it's just crazy. Oh my God.
Very first of all, like, did you tell your friends and family about it, or nobody knows?
I mean, I've told my family members that like I've made money with this. They don't know how much because I don't know how they react, but I definitely don't think I'd be telling my friends about this. Well,
So the only people you would be telling is your family.
yeah,
Yeah, but you didn't tell them yet.
not yet, no. Maybe reach 100K and then show them results.
All right, all right. How were they generally thinking about you doing dropshipping?
Well, when I started, I wasted like a few $1,000s and like they were not happy with that. But then like I kept wanting to try it and they were like, sure, yeah, you can go for it. And so they were generally supportive of the idea of it. And so when I finally succeeded, I'm definitely gonna pay them back for letting me continue this.
So are you currently having like another job, or were you doing this full time?
I was supposed to go to university in like September to October, but like I just dropped it for now. And I might go back in March or so, but maybe not.
Okay. So this was kind of a full-time thing you were doing for the last month.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
So let's talk about the specifics here. What
Mhm.
was different? Like you started to work with us. Why did it not work? What, like you're saying you're doing dropshipping for over 2 years. Well, what do you
Mhm.
do now?
I definitely couldn't make videos that well because I didn't know what a good video was. And definitely the group chat definitely helped me out whenever I posted a video and they helped me like decipher what was good about the video, what was bad about the video. and good products was also like my issue as well because I typically chose the bad products to do organically and stuff. So in those two aspects, that helped me a lot. Just like get this much money, yeah.
What about product selection itself? What do you think in the beginning about this product?
Oh, I definitely thought this project was like very good, and I'm happy that they chose it because like first month or like first like product sheet, like if they didn't choose it, I would have been a bit iffy about the program. But I'm glad they chose it, and I'm glad like I picked it.
Yeah. Okay. So what were your goals initially coming in for dropshipping?
Bro, it's just like to make back the money I spent dropshipping initially.
And what was the initial plan? You're saying you went to university, etc. Like, what was the plan outside of dropshipping?
Honestly, I don't know what I would have done if I didn't succeed because I was just drifting through university, just like not even doing anything and just like kind of wasting money. So I'm glad I found something that worked that I could just do and not have to worry about university as like the main option.
Why did you actually stick to dropshipping over 2 years of not making it work?
Ooh, because I saw the like the potential in this because in your videos you kind of always say that like persistency is key to this, and I've seen people like I have a friend that has switched over between dropshipping, Amazon FBA, and like, kind of stick to like different things for like a short period of time, and I just kept seeing videos that you should stick to one thing, and I decided to stick with dropshipping because I felt the potential of it, and I'm like I already started with it, so I might as well stick to the end.
Okay. Okay. Like the only thing you basically changed was going from paid ads to organic, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Before you started, like how many videos did you post? How many products did you test on organic?
So when I first started organic, I like did maybe I think 3 videos a day, but they were shit. I'm sorry. They were like so bad. They were like the customer conversation ones, and it's just like, oh, it was so bad. It was terrible.
Do you see if your videos are good now, or is it just like, does it still feel a little bit random?
I can definitely see that they're better now, and I can see why they kind of go viral now. But I do kind of still feel kind of random still.
It's all from one product, correct?
Yeah.
Basically, until you get like 3, 4 products going to a high level, then you're actually going to have this like real confidence of you being able to make it work over and over again. And you're also going to spot virality. You're going to see what's good and what's bad, you know? Because in the beginning, it's actually genuinely difficult to see what's good and what's bad. On the 50 or 60K, how many views did you actually get? Like how much is that?
Ooh, in total, I think it goes around like 25 million or yeah, around 25 million.
So a lot. And was that
Uh,
across like just 2 or 3 videos, or was it like a bunch of small videos?
I had one video was around 6 million and then the other video was around 12 million and then I got a few random a million views on some videos.
From the program itself, what was the most helpful in terms of the videos? Like, what did you change specifically? What did we tell you to change?
It was probably be like sticking really close as a beginner to like just copying the viral videos because like you don't know what's good in a video, so just copy the best you can out of like the viral video and then keep repeating that. Though I don't know if I want to say that because that's like a lot of competition and like but that's like the biggest tip that I got from the program.
What would you generally tell to a beginner who's starting out and he's testing something on dropshipping? It doesn't really work out well in the first like couple of months. What's the main advice you give?
I mean, if you stick to the end and like get a mentor, then you're pretty much succeed. With like any like drive and it's a mentor, you're like gonna what? You're just gonna make money.
No, no. For the main kind of goals you have now, what's the main thing you generally want to do now?
That's the issue. Cause you saw in the group chat that I kind of was like not doing too many hours, kind of like not
Bro,
putting that
what the
much
fuck is that? You think you made it now?
Bro, I made the money and I'm like, I don't know what to do now. I don't
Do you understand how broke you are in reality?
not yet though. I'm still like super young and I don't spend that money much money that often, so I don't really know.
You need to understand one thing.
Hmm.
You didn't make money yet.
Hmm.
This is one good month. You
Hmm.
have to live for the rest of your life. You didn't make it yet.
Yeah.
To stop being like on it at the peak is the most ridiculous thing I've ever heard.
Yeah, yeah.
When I saw like you're doing like how much? Three videos a day? That's it?
It's like 4 years. I'll get
Bro,
a new product sheet. I'll get a new product sheet.
you're not even having a job. This is your job.
I had two part-time jobs.
You got two part-time jobs?
Yeah, but they don't pay as much as this.
Well, then quit.
Really? Bro, I thought about that, but like my parents are like, nah, you should probably like stick to like having them. I'm like,
Well, how much are you making from them?
minimum wage, which would be around $17 an hour.
You live in Canada?
Yep.
Yeah. So $17 an hour you make on there.
Yeah. That's a pretty obvious, I guess.
So what do you think? Where you're gonna make more from like 8 hours of working or eight
Mhm.
videos a day more?
Yeah, yeah, that's true. Yeah,
The whole quitting job thing, it should be so obvious to you. Like
yeah, yeah,
it should be so obvious to a person who's not having like a really solid job. If you're a doctor, I get it. That's a difficult decision, you know? And all of a sudden you make the same amount with your doctor thing and with dropshipping, you have to think. I understand you've invested like half your life in it. It doesn't
yeah.
apply to you. Just quit the job. Like worst case, you find it's the easiest thing in the world to find a minimum wage job. It's
Yeah.
literally it's not difficult. So quit and I mean like you're gonna triple your output instantly.
Yeah, that's true.
You said that your parents are kind of against it, like quitting the job because they
Yeah,
don't know what's going on though.
yeah, yeah. Probably show them after this.
So before the 100K, just show them and then first of all, yeah, show them and say you're quitting the job. And even whatever
Hmm.
they say, you need to do this full time. I've seen this so often. It's a very, very common thing where you start seeing results and all of a sudden you basically start chilling. And I'm
Hmm.
sure you were working harder 2 months ago. Like when you started the program, you worked harder than you're working now,
Yeah.
which is stupid because in reality, you're going to be able to make more of your time now. Like your time is worth way more than it was
Hmm.
2 months ago. But all of a sudden you chill and then you don't go up, you know? So it's crucial so that you actually stay.
Hmm. I'll
But,
get my ass on on the grind soon.
but what
Right now actually.
what stopped you there? Like why? What was the thought process? Because I genuinely want to understand. What was the thought process of not being as hyped anymore?
So like the main goal I had was to just like make back the money because like to me initially like $2,000 was insane amount of money that I spent for the first 2 years in dropshipping. And when I hit like that 30K in 10 days, I'm like, shit, kind of double that. So I don't really know what to do anymore. So it's just like that was the biggest goal I had, and when I achieved it, I was just like, I don't really know what else to do after that. Obviously, it'd be
Okay.
made to make more money, but I mean, yeah.
So your goal right now
Hmm.
should be like Canadian, obviously a little bit less than the actual dollars, but
Yeah.
like if it's Canadian, make 20K pure profit per month for the next half a year. That should be kind of like that should be generally the goal, at least holding a high profit per month. That's the main
Okay.
thing. 20K
Hmm.
profit per month for the next 6 months. That should be the goal. Of course, it should be increasing, etc., but that's the minimum. And you want the consistency now. You want to learn the skill of going viral multiple times with multiple products with
Yeah.
everything. You know, it's gonna take something to definitely get there. But and it's also not gonna be easier from now. Like because what you're feeling now is not gonna go away.
Hmm.
It's not gonna go away.
Yeah.
And for me, I have moments where I'm asking myself like I'm doing multiple sex like I don't know if I'm doing
Cut that out.
multiple
Cut that out.
six figures in profit per
Hmm.
month every month for a while now.
Yeah.
And why the fuck should I do this interview? Like why I'm so, like I don't need it.
Uh-huh.
There's a goal behind it. I'm just doing it. It's not that I'm setting a goal and that's what keeps me motivated. It's just that I'm doing it because I'm doing it. Because
Hmm.
why not? I think it's genuinely disrespectful and like to not do that while like your entire family doesn't have the chance to do that. Like for me, I know my whole family cannot do what I'm doing.
Hmm.
They don't. It's impossible for them to make that amount of money as like a kindergarten person. I don't know how it's called in English, but
Hmm.
like as a teacher or whatever, like it's not possible to make that money. For me, it is. There shouldn't be a thought of okay, I reached my goals, now I can chill. And
Hmm.
the worst thing about it is that you didn't even reach any goal. The goal is bad. Like the goal you set was like So that's just my rant here. But for you, like, what would you say is the plan from now? What do you initially plan?
I guess take your advice to try and make 20,000 a month for the next 6 months, and you'll see from there. Maybe we'll get another interview in and see where I'm at. Well, who knows?
100%, 100%. So, do you have any questions for me, or did you have any like general thing?
I think I did. I think the only question that I did have for you was how do I keep myself like on track on this? Because I have been taking days where I've just been absolutely doing nothing and just filming like the 2 or 4 videos I have, and it's just kind of like, eh.
So, how do you
Um,
stay like productive?
yeah, I kind of like that. Like I did see that Tobias put in the group chat like the calendar schedule.
You did it? Like, did you do it?
I did not do it. Yeah, so do that. Just
So
do
step
that.
number one, do the calendar structure. It's ridiculous that so many people in the program are still not doing it. That's number one. Step number two, right now, let's commit to a goal in terms of how many videos per day we're posting from
Mhm.
tomorrow. So what do you think? What's realistic to start tomorrow on the interview? And we're going to watch this back in a month. If you didn't do it, we're going to see what we do with it. But like, how much can you actually do, you think?
I mean, I'm not. I have like the entire day, so the entire day. I was like, it's like 2 to 4 videos or like 2 videos every product. So,
Okay, you're only doing 4 products a day. How many, or four videos a day? So how much product research did you do to have like more products on?
oh, it's not a lot. I've not been on that, bro. Product research is ass because like it's just the same products every time I scroll, and I'm just like, what the fuck? I can't find any new products, and the ones that I do find are like completely dog water in the first place, and I don't know why I pick them. I just like put them on the sheet to just like fill a space.
So find another 30 to 50 products in this week.
Hmm.
And next week, we start doing at least 10 videos a day, bare minimum.
For like 5 products total.
Either 5 products or horizontally scaling your product and making a new account and new content, whatever it is.
Okay.
10 videos, I don't care about anything else.
Gotcha. Okay. I might try the horizontals. Do I need a new SIM card to like put into the phone for like the new account, or is that fine?
No, I'm going to blur this because this is too valuable for YouTube. But
Oh shit.
you should that, and also from next week, new products.
Yeah, currently it's 2 products.
Bro,
Oh yeah, yeah, it's fine. It's
new
fine.
products is 4 videos and you're doing it full time and you're not even properly doing product research.
Yeah, I know. That's how good the program is, bro. 2 products and I'm already making 54K. And that was before PayPal. PayPal is like that was before I like saw the PayPal issue. And now like I saw it and I'm making more money, but like the
So wait,
30K.
what do you mean?
Like the initial profit, like maybe like up to 40K into September, I didn't have PayPal, so like I could have gotten a lot more money. And like, bro, like that was like the biggest headache about that. Ugh, I'm so glad I have it
Yeah.
resolved.
Now it's fine, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, now I can use PayPal, so it's fine.
So, for everybody watching right now, if you also want to join, click the link below, sign up for a call. We're going to find out if you're a fit. But honestly, it sounds cool what you're saying because it doesn't sound like you're putting in actual work, but you're still
Ah,
making
sure,
money.
that's true. Yeah.
But in reality, first of all, in the beginning, it looked different. Like you were more motivated before you start making the money. And number two is like you were already doing it for so long without any success that there was some skill compound. You know, you already knew the basics overall, and I don't want to like attract the wrong people here and
Yeah,
they're
that's true. Yeah, I thought about that now.
50K on the side
Yeah,
and
yeah.
that.